सपनों को बस्ते में रख कर चले हम, उम्मीदों के पथ पर घर से चले हम। सपनों को बस्ते में रख कर चले हम, उम्मीदों के पथ पर घर से चले हम। स्कूल 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 चले हम, 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 स्कूल चले हम।
Hi student, welcome to my online class. Today we discuss class 10 chemistry chapter 1 chemical reaction and equation. Last class we discussed most of the part of this chapter. So now we discuss what is corrosion and rancidity. What do you mean by corrosion? The phenomena due to which metal are slowly eaten away by the reaction of air, water and chemical present in the atmosphere is called corrosions. Corrosion mainly generally occurs in the metals, and the metal surface are the shining, and after the reaction of the air, water or chemicals, the shining surface are changed into reddish brown color or black colors. Why this one change? Because these metals are oxidized and change to their oxides. So that why the parts of the metals are get corroded. So this one called what are corrosions. So for example, irons. These irons articles are the generally we are using our daily life. Most of the iron articles like use in the our home or also their window, the automobiles body parts also made up of irons. So this one are the water react with the oxygens or waters and change to their oxide, iron oxide. This process are called water roasting of iron, and they are get roast. Okay. For example, silver. Silver are also changed to black color, and copper are also changed to green in colors. So these are the some metals, they are what are get corroded. And effect of corrosions. What happens when metals are corroded? Okay, when the metals are corroded, then the surface of the metals are the corroded and they are the damaged. For example, the window are also corrode, and they can damage some body parts like car and some bike and others automobiles also, their body parts also with the contact of the air or waters, and they get corroded and damaged. Some are the like in bridge also, their parts are also made up of iron, and this one also are corroded and any harmful effect are occur in our daily lives. So how can we prevent these corrosions? We have to prevent this corrosion by the process of oiling, painting, greasing and galvanizing. Okay, we are applying oils and some paint color also we apply and grease are apply. Then we have to prevent this process of corrosion. And galvanization. Galvanization means the pocket of zinc metal we are apply on iron articles. Then this process is called what are galvanization. So these are the corrosions and their effect of corrosion and how can you prevent corrosions. So next one we discuss what are rancidity. Rancidity what are, it is the process of slow oxidation of oils and fat present in the food materials, resulting in the change of smell and taste in them. Okay, the rancidity is the process of slow oxidations, and what happens after rancidity, the food materials, their taste and smell will be changed. Then that time we are eating some oily or fatty foods. What happen after long times? There our mouth or also what are bad smell or the taste will be common. Okay, so how can we prevent this one? First one, packing with airtight containers. Okay, we have to pack the food items with airtight container. Then we have to prevent this rancidity, because this one have to slow down this oxidation process. And the second one, refrigeration. Refrigeration means we at very low temperature we are keep the food. Then this one also prevent for oxidations or rancidity. And the third one, packing with nitrogen gas. This is most important. The nitrogen gas are generally used to packing the full material because the nitrogen gas are the prevent for oxidations. They are the slow down the process of oxidation. That's how we use nitrogen gas for rancidity or for the slow down the oxidation process. Next one, the by adding antioxidant. Antioxidant, what are they? Are the prevent for oxidation. Some chemical like the anisole and toluene, these are the used as a for the prevention of the rancidity process or slow down this oxidation process. So this is what are all idea about what are rancidity and the method of prevention of the rancidity. So this is what are in this chapter most of the part are completed. So next class we are discuss how to balance the chemical equation. Okay. And some important question one by one also we have discussed. Okay. So all of you are the request to stay home and maintain your story regularly. Okay. Thank you.